What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. I want to show you guys what we got going on for this week. This video is obviously titled about somewhere about the Cybertruck. I haven't even come up with the title, but I'm recording this video one day before SEMA. Today is Friday. We have a SEMA project. We'll complete it in one day. The car literally got here this morning. We're completing it. It is a, crazy build. And then we got this Cybertruck I'm going to show you guys, in which we did every single thing. Custom print wrap, ceramic coating, obviously ceramic window tint, stars in the ceiling, stars, rock lights on the outside. And we got it all tied up to where you can control the stars from the screen, which is very, very cool, I believe. I'm gonna start with this BMW 3 Series, in which we're doing stealth paint protection film, full body stealth PPF, all edges wrap. The cool thing about this is that you could order this color and matte paint from BMW when you order the car now. That is a $10,000 upgrade. One, and you cannot paint correct or fix or repair matte paint, so you will have to paint a lot of the car, and it will be very, very expensive. In this case, you can actually save the money because PPF is cheaper. So you go in with a blue gloss paint, you do the stealth PPF, achieve the same look, have a 10-year warranty, self-healing film. Now I'm gonna kind of walk around quickly, not gonna spend too much time in each car because we're going to the Cybertruck, and we have a very cool car in the back as well, which I'll show. So we take out the hood logo, full body PPF wraps around, logo comes back. You will not see obviously where the film ends. All edges wrapped, door handles removed. And I'm gonna go, you're good. Go into the Cybertruck. Again, our videos are raw, our videos are not edited. So we got our guy cleaning, you're good. You got our guy cleaning there. He thinks he has to move, whatever, he doesn't have to. We got the guys finishing up the Cybertruck. Down to the wire on it, we got an hour left. Customer's picking up at 5:30, it is 4 o'clock. So we're cutting off the stars in the ceiling, and we got to tint the windshield. The windshield, since we always have Cybertrucks, we have the other one over there, the windshield tint is already shrunk. We're gonna just throw it on when they're done with the stars in the ceiling. So we're gonna be good. We're cutting it close, we're gonna be good. Now, custom design on this, so I'm gonna back off a little bit. Can you close that door? Hans, can you close that door? You close both for like 2 seconds. So, again, look at the lights, rock lights. Stars in the ceiling, they're cutting up. I'm gonna show you guys that right there. So basically we got a Heath & Hers tint. So blue on this side, orange, red lava type thing on the other side. Ceramic coating, we're using 6MX matte ceramic coating, which is a 10-year product. Ceramic coating in the interior as well. I tinted all the windows with XPEL XR Black or XR Plus. Let's check out the lights. Very interesting way in this lights inside, because the guys could not basically do it in one piece. The Cybertruck comes with a bunch of panels. We have to get like separate modules for everything. We're able to plug into module inside the front, which allows us, it can be controlled from the screen. So the lights will be able to be controlled from the screen as well as from a mobile app. So the lights right there, very bright, even during daylight. At night, this is gonna be amazing. You can see the transition right here. To the other side, which has got the red, orange. It's all printed in our HP printers with a matte laminate, which allows for the matte finish. This is a SEMA project. This car is going to SEMA. We got this car in today. The car is used to be a Tesla. They cut it up in half, so got rid of the rear door, did a white body on it. So it has a crazy body kit, and we did this wrap in just about 8 hours now. Full wrap, obviously with the custom body kit and the custom prints. We had to take measurements also in those 8 hours and print stuff. So it's been an interesting 8 hours. I know there's wraps that get done faster than that, but this is a wrap still done right. It's a wrap still done with quality. But obviously the car is, the bodywork and everything is not the greatest underneath. So we did what we could. And some of those areas on the bottom that are white are going to be painted. So you can see this car has no interiors. It's still going to get the interior put in, and the engine dropped tomorrow before it rolls into SEMA. That's a cage, crazy build. Anyways, then obviously we got commercial vehicles as usual. In this case, we got Ideal Services, getting a full wrap. The few commercial wraps that already got picked up. And Cybertruck getting a full body gloss Miami Blue PPF. Raptor full body PPF from Stealth. PPF all around. We actually paint corrected this. This truck has been driven off road a lot, so we have some deep scratches on the other bed, which we got rid of. and then did the PPF. And that looks phenomenal. Had dents on the back. We got rid of the dents as well. Tinted all the windows. Audi, full front end PPF, and ceramic tint. And 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto, getting a full body paint protection film and ceramic window tint. That is a beautiful looking car. So that is all we got right now. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the Cybertruck when it's completed.